Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel, Samina Language. The title is My Daily Routine. Today is the last day of marriage, my sister-in-law daughter. Now they are cooking. They are starting cooking about this food. Okay. They are cooking in my home. And they are preparing. Okay, I will show you how it's cooked. What is this, by?
Chawal, rice.
Rice and chicken. Chicken, okay. Okay, later when they finish cook, I will show you. Okay, guys, this is the things which they are using. This one, chicken. This is the chicken, and this is the rice, and this is the tomato. Okay, now when they finish cook, I will show you. This is my all cousin. Hello, how are you? Yes, I get already. Bye, tell in English. What you are cooking?
I am English, no?
What you are cooking? And bisingi.
I am cooking biryani.
Okay, biryani. Yes. What is the ingredients of biryani? Rice, chicken. What else?
Chicken Pakistani.
Okay, very good. Okay, later I will show you when they finish cook. Then I will show you again. Allah Hafiz.